Hey guys, what's up and welcome to Zero Reviews Tech. I already did a camera review for the Ulefone Power 3, but this is going to be the second video review for the Ulefone Power 3's camera because Ulefone just released an update to their Ulefone Power 3. So I'm going to be doing an update and you'll see how it is. Right now it is negative 22 degrees Celsius in Toronto, about negative 8 Fahrenheit, and I, as a true Canadian, am wearing sweatpants and slippers. Yeah. So I received an OTA update to the Ulefone Power 3 and I took a bunch more photos to see if the camera quality or the consistency has improved, and it actually did. I'm so impressed that Ulefone improved their camera quality so fast via software. It's still not perfect, but it's so much better. Basically, they improved it so that the camera takes photos at least as good as the Ulefone Power 2 and sometimes better than the Ulefone Power 2 as well. So I don't take any more of those crap photos I took before the update, not anymore at least, unless it's low light of course. But the good photos are really good, on par with even something like the Redmi Note 4 or the Redmi 5 Plus. There's good color saturation, lots of detail, even on my computer, and very nice shadows and dynamic range. So to recap, that's the best photo you're ever going to take. The quote-unquote bad photos you're going to take here are actually fine after the software update. Something like this, which is a fairly complicated lighting situation for a camera, and the Ulefone Power 3 handles it fairly well. The shadows are pretty dark, but there is no HDR on. And if you do turn HDR mode on, it's actually really good now. As you can see in this photo, it does a very good job of balancing out the dynamic range. The only downside is that there is quite a bit of lens flare, but every camera will have lens flare when you're pointing directly at the sun. The one area where the Ulefone Power 3 still cannot improve is taking photos when moving. It still gets blurry because there's no OIS in the camera. This is a photo of a major intersection and it's very slightly blurry because of the vibrations from the car. So if you move too fast, you get something like this as well, so it doesn't look that great. The blur mode or portrait mode still sucks a lot though and doesn't use both cameras. The front camera is also improved a lot and it actually looks fine now in good lighting, but low lighting is still bad. And finally, video quality has also improved. I'm able to get decent 1080p quality, but still no 4K. You can see that there is some sharpness in the photo, not a lot, but there's enough that it doesn't look bad like before. So to wrap up this camera review update, the camera is improved a lot. Again, it's not perfect. All the problems have not been completely fixed, but they fixed enough of the issues that the camera is no longer not worth it, but it's actually fine to good now. The Ulefone Power 3's camera after the update is now definitely one of the better MTK phone cameras on the market right now. It's still not the best. The best MTK phone cameras I've ever used is still probably the Yumi Z Pro and the Verni Mars Pro, but the Ulefone Power 3 is still fine. It's not bad anymore. Props to Ulefone for fixing the camera on the Ulefone Power 3, which means that the Ulefone Power 3 has taken one more step to being a great battery phone, competing with the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Likes and subs are appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.